So this bracket is used to mount a Mac Studio to the underside of your desk, like so. And then you can basically slide in the Mac Studio underneath for some more tidier storage. But what I'm going to be using this bracket for is to mount it on the back side of my monitor, so that essentially I could hide the Mac Studio behind the monitor and use this VESA mount to secure. So let's see if that works out as intended. These are the pre-drilled screw holes, and most of the monitors have capability to be mounted to some sort of a monitor stand or an arm, or wall mounted even, and this VESA standard is pretty much what they use. So I'm gonna bring my monitor and see if I can connect it as intended. This is the back of my monitor, and as you can see, the mounts perfectly align to the already existing VESA mount. That looks great. Now we're going to slide in the Mac Studio inside. And there we go, finished product. Mounts perfectly to the back side of the monitor. Very cool. All the ports are accessible from underneath. And just to show off some finishing touches, this here is a very short size to fit HDMI cable, so that cable management is as neat as possible. This is the Mac Studio power cable, and this is the monitor power cable. So ideally these two can be twist tied or zip tied to kind of like travel together down to your power source, and help you with some cable management and make the additional setup look as neat as possible. So this is how you essentially convert a Mac Studio into an iMac-like setup. Hope you enjoyed this video.